In today's economy, making your money work for you is more important than ever, especially when inflation is eating away at the purchasing power of your savings. If you're like most American retirees, you're likely feeling the pressure of rising prices on everything from groceries to healthcare. But don't worry, you're not alone. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make your money work for you in an inflationary economy and why one particular investment is becoming the go-to choice for thousands of retirees, gold IRAs. Now, before we dive in, if you're serious about protecting your wealth in the next 2 weeks, click the first link in the description below. It's a free gold IRA guide that's helping thousands of Americans safeguard their savings in these uncertain times. But more on that later. Let's get into how to put your money to work for you. First off, let's talk about inflation. It's not just a buzzword. It's a real, everyday challenge that's eroding your savings. The typical bank account isn't going to cut it when inflation is running high. Even though the interest rates might be increasing slightly, they still don't come close to beating inflation. And that means your money is losing value every single day. So, what's the solution? Investing in assets that are historically resistant to inflation. One of the best ways to protect your wealth is by diversifying your portfolio. But here's the thing. Most people don't realize that traditional investments, like stocks and bonds, are often directly impacted by inflation. When the cost of living goes up, it can lead to volatility in these markets, leaving you exposed. But there's a simple, time-tested alternative. Gold IRAs. If you're looking for an inflation hedge, gold IRAs are one of the most reliable ways to protect your wealth. Unlike cash or traditional investments, gold has a long track record of maintaining its value during economic turmoil. That's why many savvy retirees are turning to gold IRAs to secure their futures. But how exactly does it work? Well, instead of keeping your money in low-interest bank accounts, a gold IRA allows you to invest in physical gold, which is stored in a secure facility. The value of gold tends to rise during inflationary periods, making it a safe haven for your wealth. In fact, gold has been considered a store of value for thousands of years, especially when currencies fluctuate and markets become unstable. Now you might be thinking, but I can just invest in stocks or real estate, right? Sure, those are options, but they come with their own risks. Stocks can plummet and real estate can fluctuate based on market conditions. When inflation hits, these assets often don't provide the same level of security as gold. Real estate, for instance, can require ongoing maintenance costs, and the returns aren't always guaranteed. On the other hand, with a gold IRA, your investment is tied to something tangible and historically stable. It's a smart move for any retiree who wants to preserve their purchasing power. If you're serious about protecting your wealth, especially if you have $100K or more in an IRA or 401K, or even 5 plus in savings, a gold IRA could be the perfect way to safeguard your future. Now, don't just take my word for it. Thousands of Americans are already turning to gold IRAs to ensure their retirement years are financially secure, and it's not too late for you to do the same. If you want to learn more about how a gold IRA could work for you, make sure to click the first link in the description below and download the free guide. This guide will walk you through everything you need to know step by step and help you understand why so many retirees are making the switch to gold IRAs. Plus, it's completely free, and there's no obligation. So, if you're looking to protect your wealth, especially during times of inflation, this guide could be your first step toward financial security. Let's wrap this up. In an inflationary economy, you need to make your money work for you. You need to invest in something that holds its value over time, and that's where gold IRAs come in. Don't let inflation eat away at your savings. Take action now to protect your wealth. And if you're ready to learn why thousands of American retirees are turning to gold IRAs, click the link in the description to get your free guide. This could be the best decision you make for your future. Whether you have $100K or $5 in savings, securing your retirement with a gold IRA is one of the smartest financial moves you can make today.